2 peso commemorative coin. Elpidio Quirino, ika-100 kaarawan. Yan. Seal of the President of the Philippines. (1890, 1990). 1891 to 1991. Jose P. Laurel, ika-100 kaarawan, commemorative coin. 2 peso coin. 1892 to 1992. Sino ba to? Manuel Rojas. Seal of the Republic of the Philippines. Pareho siya nung Elpidio Quirino. Seal of the President of the Republic of the Philippines.